So you're stuck at 0 views. You keep uploading video after video and YouTube seems to ignore you, like you're in some sort of shadow ban or something. Don't worry, you're not doomed. There is a way out. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Ask yourself this critical question. Are you making videos people actually want to watch? Be real with yourself. If you skip this step, nothing else I say will work. Before we talk about shadow bans or algorithm tricks, let's figure out why you're really stuck at 0 views. Problem number 1. Your videos aren't interesting. I know that sounds harsh, but it might be the reality. If you're getting no views, it's not always the algorithm's fault. Sometimes it's just you. Maybe you're making videos that only you find interesting, not your target audience. You need to understand what your potential viewers care about. What do they want to see? What emotions are they chasing? If your videos don't answer those needs, they will scroll right past you. It's easy to fall into the survivor's bias trap. You see a popular YouTuber in your niche and think, I'll just do what they're doing. You copy their format, their style, even their thumbnails, but still, 0 views. Why? Answer is simple. Context. That creator is already popular and established. Their audience loves them and trusts them. But you're just some random channel doing the same thing. Why would anyone care? When we launched our AA Master channel, we could have copied what other AA channels were doing, but instead, we found a fresh idea and crafted a unique hook that no one else was using. And our first video hit over 1 million views. That's what you need to do. Be different. Find a way to stand out with your personality, your experience, or humor. Bring something only you can offer. There also might be a technical reason behind your videos getting 0 views. Tell me, are the videos on your channel new and unique, or have you just started a new channel and re-uploaded videos from the all-dead channel? If you did, congrats, you just made a mistake. YouTube is smart. It sees that the content you just uploaded is exactly the same content that already exists on the platform, so it punishes you by not showing your video to anyone. YouTube doesn't like re-uploads, but there is a way around it, a way to trick algorithms. 1, add a second at the beginning or end of your video. This will change the digital signature of the file and YouTube will treat it like a new video. 2, slightly change the color grading. Doesn't have to be a drastic change. This is me graded normally, like we always do. And here's me with a slight change to color grading. See the difference? I personally don't, but YouTube does. This is a new video now. It analyzes pixels of every frame, and now all pixels have different values. But remember, this will only work with your old videos, preferably uploaded to the same channel you are re-uploading them to. If you try this trick on someone else's videos, you will get a strike. There's no way around it. Re-upload only your own videos. And what about videos from other social media platforms? Should you re-upload your popular TikToks or Reels to YouTube? The short answer is no. YouTube isn't dumb. It knows if a video was already published somewhere else and will lower its reach. You always want YouTube to be the first platform where you upload your videos. It doesn't hurt to upload a short video to YouTube first and then post it on other platforms. For you, there's no difference, but YouTube will treat your video more favorably. And if you absolutely have to re-upload your videos from TikTok or Instagram to YouTube, tweak them a little. Change the color grading, adjust the length, maybe swap a few B-roll shots, make them new for YouTube. When re-uploading all videos, the worst thing you can do is re-upload video that already got 0 views. If it flopped the first time, there is a reason. If you didn't fix the issue, why would it perform any better now? When reviving a channel or starting fresh, always begin with brand new content created specifically for that channel. Only after gaining some traction should you consider re-uploading all videos, and only if you've improved them. To increase your chances with re-uploaded content, analyze your past mistakes. Start by looking at your competitors, see what they're doing differently that makes their content work. Comparison is a powerful learning tool. Once you figure out what needs fixing, decide whether it's easier to update an old video or create something entirely new. For example, let's say your competitors have a successful video titled 5 productivity hacks. Sure, you could copy the video and get some views, but you could also add a unique twist. Frame those hacks as part of your life. Share your personal experience with them, your thoughts and how they worked or didn't for you. It's more work, but the potential payoff is much greater. We've tested this many times and it works. But be ready for delayed success. It won't happen overnight. It might take multiple videos to gain momentum. Remember, Mr. Beast made 400 videos before hitting 1,000 subscribers. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to keep improving and never give up on your dream. Another issue might be that your videos are simply too short. And I'm not talking about YouTube Shorts, I mean your long-form content. The reality is that YouTube videos are getting longer and longer. A year ago, 8 to 10 minute videos were perfectly fine. Now, even 12 or 14 minutes isn't enough to tick YouTube's internal boxes. YouTube cares a lot about average view duration and watch session length because longer sessions mean more ad revenue. Even if engagement isn't perfect, longer videos still get better reach. Look at our AI Master channel. Some of our top performing videos are long guides on specific AI tools, often over 20 or even 30 minutes. If you're starting a new channel and everyone in your niche makes 15-minute videos, your 5-minute video will be forgotten instantly because its watch time will be way lower than your competitors. And when you're just starting out, you can keep people engaged as well as popular creators can. So if you post a 5-minute video, your average watch time might be under a minute. But with a 15-minute video, even with average engagement, you'll likely get at least 3 minutes of watch time. A big improvement in YouTube's eyes. Here's what you should do. Take the longest video from a popular YouTuber in your niche and make your video 10–15% longer. Just add a few extra minutes, see where it takes you. Your goal is to give your audience enough content to keep them interested, but don't overdo it. You're not making a 2-day podcast with your friends. No one would watch that, not even you. So make your videos slightly longer than the current leader in your niche. But remember, this only applies to long-form videos. With shorts, things are much trickier. Even if you've got an audience and your long videos get views, your shorts might still flop. It's because the algorithm might fail to find the right audience for your shorts. This happens more often than you think. But don't try the TikTok or Instagram strategy of re-uploading the same video repeatedly until it goes viral. This doesn't work in YouTube. You'll just end up annoying the algorithm and getting no traction. What you should do instead is add the video title to the description. This sounds like a weird conspiracy theory, but trust me, sometimes it works. It seems to change how YouTube treats your video. Who knows why, but it's worth a shot. Optimize your title and description for SEO. Use popular search queries as is in your title. For example, instead of naming your video, I got my first 1,000 followers on YouTube, try how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in 2025. Shorts often rank high in search results, so use that to your advantage. What I love about shorts is that you can create a separate short for every popular search term in your niche. This way, you'll generate more views and your videos will rank higher in search results. This could even boost your long videos by pulling new viewers into your channel. But what if nothing works after following all these tips? Don't panic. Sometimes the issue isn't with your content, it's with YouTube's algorithm. The platform might not have found your audience yet. YouTube constantly tests your content on different viewers, trying to figure out who would watch your videos. This process can take time. For some channels, it's a few days, for others, weeks. And in rare cases, it might take over a month. Yeah, waiting that long can be nerve-wracking, but keep creating. The more videos you upload, the easier it is for YouTube to figure out your audience. If your video doesn't perform well right away, don't start a new channel or re-upload it. Be patient and keep uploading. Consistency wins. One of our clients makes videos about the real estate market in Dubai, and his first videos weren't getting views for quite some time. He was even thinking about changing his strategy or starting from scratch, and then, out of nowhere, one of his older videos blew up and gave his channel a huge boost. This just proves that even if you have a professional team backing you, success doesn't always come instantly. Sometimes it just needs time and a smart strategy. Let's recap this part. Longer videos help boost watch time, but don't rush into making super long content right away. Find the right balance. Shorts need proper optimization too. Use search-based titles and keywords to get those first views. Remember, the algorithm needs time to figure out who your audience is. Don't give up if you don't see results instantly. Keep refining your content, experiment, and stay open to new ideas. YouTube's algorithm rewards creators who stay committed and keep pushing toward their goals. Usually, the channels we work with gain traction really fast. In some cases, our clients have reached 100K subs with just 8 videos. Most people who come to our YouTube agency have never done YouTube before and know nothing about proper promotion. We take their channels and make them blow up. It doesn't matter what the niche is, real estate, cooking, ballet, tech, AI, business, we handle it all. How do we do it so reliably? Well, we create a content strategy with video ideas that provide value, have a unique twist, and are interesting to your target audience. Then we design clickable thumbnails and write engagement-optimized scripts, sometimes just the script outline. All you have to do is sit in front of the camera, and talk. You can read from a teleprompter or improvise while following our outline. If you're new to shooting videos, our director will hop on a call and help you set up a pro-looking home studio on a budget. You can even shoot your videos on your phone, and we'll help you achieve great image quality. We'll teach you how to be a better narrator, a better videographer, and an overall better creator. Then we can edit videos for you. We'll even handle uploads, SEO optimization, titles, tags, and descriptions. Your only job is to show up, record yourself talking, and enjoy the results. All you need to do now is click the link in the description, answer a few questions, and we'll reach out. We'll create a custom strategy just for you, and together we'll break YouTube. So click the link and let's make it happen. Now, I want you to check your channel for the next common mistake. Tell me, how often do you upload videos? Do you wait a week between uploads, or do you pump them out daily? YouTube is a complicated system that looks at the whole picture, not just individual videos. Let me explain what I mean. On this very channel, we took a break for a few months, then we started uploading again. The first video we posted after the break got almost no views. The second video did better, over 1,000 views, not bad, but then the third video blew up, over 18,000 views now. This proves that YouTube loves consistency. Every time you upload a new video, the old ones can get picked up for a joyride and start gaining views too. Consistency is key. So before you even start working on your first video, create a content plan. You must know what video you will make next, so there are no slowdowns or delays in publishing. We usually prepare a content plan at least a month in advance, with videos shot and edited weeks ahead. Try doing the same. Make 2, 3, 5 videos first, and then start uploading. YouTube will love that. I know this is a lot of work. It's hard to find the motivation to complete multiple videos before uploading even one, but that's the best way to start. You can relax a bit after you get that initial boost from YouTube. At least try to make the beginning as smooth and planned as possible. And try to make more videos. If you only post 1 or 2 videos a month, people won't be enticed to subscribe. The more content you pump out, the higher the chance one of your ideas will hit the mark. People will start getting used to seeing your videos in their feed. More content equals higher chances of appearing in recommendations. That's why when we started our tech channel, we were publishing 3 videos a week. We would have done 4 if the team had been bigger back then. And always, I repeat, always work on your mistakes. Made one video that didn't blow up, make 10 more, make 20 more. One of them will perform better than the others. You will get traction eventually. There's almost no way to get 0 views on 20 videos in a row. That's statistically impossible. If it does happen, then maybe there's a technical issues at play. Maybe your videos violate rules or get flagged by YouTube. You know what the biggest misconception about YouTube is? People think not everyone can succeed. If we fail to do a push-up or pull-up, we say, I'll try again tomorrow when I'm stronger. We assume everyone can eventually do push-ups or pull-ups with enough practice, but we don't apply this thinking to YouTube. Somehow people believe only a select few can succeed. That's total BS. Just like with sports, you have to keep going. You have to make video after video, get better, and eventually you will find your sweet spot. Your video will blow up. I'm certain of that. Thanks for watching. I wish you tons of views every time you post something. Click the link in the description to work with my team, and peace out.